When did you start smoking dope? When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one.
All right, everyone. Today we're watching Judge Oakley face off with a very overconfident young man who believes he's the star of his own courtroom story. He walks in acting like the rules don't matter and that consequences are for other people, not him. It's clear he's drifting through life without taking responsibility for his choices. Judge Oakley, however, isn't here to play along. He's about to deliver a serious reality check that this young man clearly wasn't expecting. This is one of those moments where confidence quickly turns into silence. Before we jump in, tell me what you think in the comments. Do you believe this guy will finally take the judge seriously? Or will he walk out unchanged, acting like nothing happened? Let's get into it and see how this all unfolds.
Come on up, Mr. Vick. Mr. Vick, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Where's your attorney then? Who's your attorney?
I don't have one.
Then you're doing it without one, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it without one, or you want to talk to one of ours?
I'll do it without one.
Okay. Dude, get your hair out of your face. Yeah. I'm better. I can see you now. All right. All right, I've got a ticket here, and the prosecutor says you're going to plead responsible to double parking, and we're going to dismiss a misdemeanor charge of reckless. Is that correct?
Yes.
That's the way you want to resolve this today?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. How old are you?
Let me see.
All right, I understand you're almost done with school?
Yes, sir.
Then what's your plan?
I've been trying to get a job ever since I was 7.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Where have you been trying to get a job?
Trying to get a job at the service yard at Holiday Inn at the apartments.
Okay. Why do I have a ROA for a double parking? And we've already got a ROA for it? Oh.
So everything.
It's confusing. No, it's not the way I'm used to saying it. I thought we had 2 tickets going. Okay. All right. Where else have you looked?
I looked at the baby shop in Logo.
Okay.
And I also looked at Walmart and Buffalo Wild Wings.
And nobody's hiring you?
Well, Walmart, I don't know, but I can't get a response from Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'm trying to go to the holidays.
Okay. Okay. All right. You got a driver's license?
No, sir.
Yeah, transportation's going to be an issue then. All right. So what's your long-term plan? Done with high school, then what?
I'm trying to be an engineer.
So you're going to school somewhere.
Hopefully that's.
Where and when?
Well, I graduate this year, and maybe I hope to go to college. Maybe by the time I'm 19.
Okay. What are you waiting for?
Nothing really.
Then why aren't you going to college now? As soon as you graduate.
I'm trying to finish school right now.
No, as soon as you graduate.
As soon as I graduate.
Yeah. Why aren't you planning on being in school somewhere in the fall?
I mean, I really didn't need a lot of that, but.
When did you start smoking dope?
I can tell you right now, this guy looks completely out of it, like he's been checked out for a long time. You don't need to be an expert to notice something is off. His eyes barely open, his reactions are slow, and he carries a confused, unfocused look like he doesn't fully understand where he is. There's a big difference between being relaxed and showing up to court looking careless. In a serious place like this, your attitude matters just as much as your words. The way he's moving and responding makes it seem like he's not taking any of this seriously at all. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked if he wasn't fully present mentally during this moment. It really makes you wonder whether he understands the situation he's in. What do you think? Does he seem aware of what's going on? Or is he completely disconnected? Let me know your thoughts.
When did you start smoking marijuana?
When?
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Okay. How often you hit it?
That often.
What's that mean?
Like barely.
What's that mean? Give me a frequency, brother. Once a month, once a week.
Speak.
Okay. All right. So on this file, you're not working now, so I'm not going to give you money. I'm not going to charge you fines and costs. I'm going to charge you community service hours. But I also have to give you a little lecture. Dude, I've been doing this a long time. All right? I can pretty much paint the picture of your life for the next 5 years if you don't do something drastic. Okay? You are like the poster child for Mr. Laid Back. All right? If you're talking about going to school when you're 19, I can guarantee when you're 21, you'll still be talking about going back to school. Guaranteed. I mean, I would bet $100 of mine against one of yours that by then you could come back and we'd still have this conversation about your planning on it. Okay? If you were my nephew, I would put you in a car. I would drive you over to Canton on Ford Road. I would walk you into the recruiting office where you can talk to the Army, the Navy, the Coast Guard, Air Force. They're all in one building. And I would have you go door to door to door and find out what they could offer you if you sign up. Because that's what you need to do. You need to completely shake up your life to make something happen. Have you ever considered it? And I know you don't want to cut your hair, but it'll grow back. Have you ever considered it? Why not? Why? Because that's a valid reason. Wow, you got me with your logic on that one. Listen to me. How are you going to pay for engineering school?
Okay, well, if I get a job, I pay for it.
No, you can't. You can't pay for an engineering degree working at Walmart. You can't. If you join the military, they'll send you to college. You know, every one of the branches of our armed forces have engineers. There are Army engineers, there are Navy engineers. That's a plan, dude. You don't have a plan.
Okay, well, the officer that got fired, well, I did have a plan, but the officer that got fired, he should be able to get something.
Officer got you fired.
Yeah.
Okay, where were you working?
The USC fellow.
Okay, and how did you mean a cop?
Yeah.
How did the cop get you fired?
He was a member at the USC, and when it happened, I guess he thought he had a reason.
You mean when this happened? Okay. All right. Okay. So I'll give you that. Okay. How's that change what we're talking? We're not talking about this case now. We're talking about your life. How's the cop getting you fired determine whether or not you can afford to go to engineering school?
Because I wouldn't have a job to pay for.
The BYC isn't going to pay for 4 years of college, dude. What were you making? $15 an hour?
I mean, I was making about $14,000 a year, so I mean,
that ain't even going to cover to it.
This guy seriously claims he earns only $14,000 a year and says he was planning to go to college, right up until he lost a small job. Honestly, that explanation doesn't sound very convincing. It feels like one of those excuses people use to avoid taking responsibility, and it's hard to take it at face value. That said, I do feel a bit sorry for him. It's pretty clear he may not have had a strong role model guiding him or teaching him how to handle situations like this. When someone grows up without structure or direction, it often shows during moments that really matter. What stands out here is Judge Oakley's approach. Judges aren't known for being overly emotional, but you can tell he genuinely cares and wants to help this young man get on a better path. His tone shows concern, not just authority, and that says a lot. Still, I'm not very hopeful. This young man seems stubborn and set in his ways, even if he does try school someday. It's hard to imagine him sticking with it unless his attitude changes. Right now, it seems like he struggles with respect for rules, guidance, and authority in general, and that's a tough habit to break.
Well, I'm also adopted, so, the state would pay for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll see you again. 30 hours community service, have it done by February 1st. Goodbye.
Honestly, I don't see this young man making any real changes after this. It feels like he'll go right back to his normal routine and act like today never happened. That's the part that's truly disappointing, because this situation reflects a much bigger problem we see with a lot of young men today. Many of them are completely lost. No clear direction, no discipline, and no sense of responsibility. They're just drifting through life, making poor choices without thinking about the long-term consequences. When there's no strong role model around to teach accountability, self-control, and basic respect, this is often the result. Instead of treating the courtroom with seriousness, he acts like it's all a joke, as if the judge is just going to let him walk away without consequences. But that's not how the legal system works, and the judge is absolutely right to take this seriously. You can tell this won't be the last time this young man ends up in trouble if nothing changes. That's just my honest opinion. Now I want to hear from you. Do you feel sorry for him? Or do you think he's setting himself up for failure by refusing to grow up? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. I post every single day. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care.